What's up? Good morning. So time check, it is currently 6:14 or 6:15, and so we're waiting for PJ and Khalil so that I can go ahead and get some gas and check the tire airs. But basically, I've already packed most of my stuff, so all I just need to pack right now is like laptop and all the other stuff that's not yet ready. So today, December 4 is PJ's birthday, so we're heading to CDO first, and then to Camigan tomorrow. Okay, so we'll take you on today. So we're expecting a 7 to 8 hour travel, since Quezon is still not that good for traveling. Pero if you're coming from Jensan, it's best to go with the Tupi Tacorong route, instead of still going to Davao another 2 hours, and then like 4 or 5 hours or 6 hours from Davao to CDO. So morning! Let's go! Bili ni mo na dali mo motor? Happy birthday, man! Ay! Happy birthday! Shit! Yon.
Hi, Luigi's vlog.
Vlog. Ade, one click lang.
Grabe ka karap.
Good morning! Time check. 7:22. On the way na, on the road, pero mag-starve sa ta. Hi.
Saan kayo nagkakalik?
Yes, Besh, happy birthday.
Thank you, Beshi.
So, anong wish mo ngayon sa birthday mo? Wala katingog. Nastan. Buti niya. Basta mo na to.
Kadala ko charger. I wish happiness in life.
Yes. So it's 7:29. Waiting na mi sa Starbs. And we will go, and we is go after sa Jensan Underpass in Marbel, City of Coronadal. Anong
Coronadal siguro.
So we are now in Tacorong. Currently 9:16. Expected arrival at CDO, the Loop Towers. It's 3:17 in the afternoon. Pero tama na, di ba, Lil?
Ay, akala ko maganon tayo sa Tacorong. Wala na.
Like, ito man yun. Ito yun, no?
Yan eh.
Ito yun. Welcome to the province of Maguindanao. Jatu Paglas, Central School. Paltulunan, Cotabato. Curabato. Buwalto. So, bag-ogit siya na mga lugar. Wagi ko kaabot pa diri in my entire life. Kasi nakaagi. So, it's 10:08. Ano day? Dugay day? Dapat ni? Ay. Pero i-park ni? Dito lang? Okay. Apak lang. We need to pass. Quarantine gila siya. So, tapak-tapak style.
Ano ba din sa ano? Di ba ko doon sa...
Oh, Lorega.
Ha?
Lorega quarantine.
Sa akin, nag-share fish.
Wow. Saan isa?
Pagbayad na daan,
Hala.
mag-ibig.
Onya ram.
Kanina saan siya? Ay, kuan siya.
Papaitan mo dabo.
Ay, kuan di siya. Atay. Kuan manggod. Alright, so we are here at Birhanas Eatery. It's time check 11:46. So we still have like 3 hours and 40 minutes to go as per Google Maps. Right.
We are here.
We
At
are
Birhana Eatery. Birhana Eatery team. Team?
Basketball.
Basketball. So, Birhana's Eatery lang. At Malapag, Malapag Food Court.
but
Yun.
yon the end.
The end.
Hindi ko maintindihan.
So hello. Wala may nalipay sa mong lunch. Padulong punta sa ni siya Carmen.
So mainit.
Last Carmen Cotabato, Barangay Malapag. Thailand Elementary School. Barangay Thailand.
Banisilan Terminal. One.
So we arrived in CDO 3:40. Punta sa SM Downtown Premier and then mag-check-in na sa Airbnb para makapahuway na. Yeah.
Stopover ba tayo?
Stopover for lunch, almost 8 hours travel. 4+ hour travel. CDO from Jensan. Feel ko. Forgot mo rin naman ata yun. Here at SM CDO guys. Amot lang yun kung kisay gatanaw ni akong tumidiri because naalami pamaliton. Naka-park na may. Wait na lang may 20 minutes para mag-cool down ang sakyanan. Is everybody feeling at the back?
All goods.
Good, sumula. Wait lang.
Sa itong kinakusgang driving. Drive reverse. Salamat. Let's go.
Let's go.
Cagayan. Let's go. Begin.
Let's go.
See you.
Kailan ka last dito, Besh? Toddler pa. Dugayan din.
Toddler pa siguro ako kayo.
So kami,
Sa lang, hanggang bukid doon lang kasi.
wow. Kami last kami din sa birthday ni Coco itong 2022. Nag-rent mi og Fortuner na wala na maintain mo itong hapit mi hapit mga angol. Here, back in SM City CDO, SM Downtown Premier. So the last time we've been here is back in 2022. Pero kadali lang po ito. So, uy, New Era! New Era! Let's go! So, mapit sa New Era. Ay, bawal day. Sorry.
Pwede daw dito, Besh.
Saan tayo ngayon, Besh?
Nasa Fatmong.
Fatmong. So, pwede na siguro mag-video dali.
Siguro.
So, we're here at Fatmong. So, bisita ta ganina kay bawal daw mag-video dali sa abot lang sa 5th floor lang, bawal. At bawal daw. So, stay and saka pop garlic rice. Thank you. Thank you.
Go lang ng go.
Ano sa mag-order ka? Salted egg prawn?
Oh.
So, mag-order may salted egg prawn. And then, wala tayo na chicken, di ba?
Alam mo ba gusto ko maglipat doon?
So, ostrich shell pikaw.
Pero okay na.
ostrich opikaw. And then, sizzling beef steak. And then, salted egg pork ribs. Asa kitag pad thai, besh? Ito lang. Pad thai.
I want to order.
Napakasarap din yun ang isda nila ba? Yan, order.
No, may gustos na.
Maglamig ka na.
So, it's currently
Maubos na po.
Gamit.
5:21. Early dinner. Para magpa-Hawaii. Mga vlogger, ito mga ano natin. Mga kasama. Mga aspiring. No?
Bisan ba? Let's chef flan. Makakamura pa daw sa halagang 99. Tatlo daw kabuok na let's chef flan. 99 pesos. Aha daw na makitaan.
Sila ano?
Sayang mo na.
Full.
Isa tayo.
Beef na chicken. Yung texture mag-beef.
Wala sa naman.
Malayo.
Limke Kylax. Pero char lang.
Di kami karon. Wagi.
Di may karon mo agi. Tarbs is really close. Okay.